The 10th annual Roll and Stroll for Pancreatic Cancer is coming up this weekend, and here to talk about it are Jerry Ann, the chair of the event, and we have Jean, a member of the Pancreas Cancer Task Force. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having us, Amber.
So this event is happening at the Capitol Brewery, so tell us all about it.
It's our 10th annual event, and we have a 50K and a 25K bike ride, and as well as a 5K bike ride. We have a 5K run and a 2-mile walk, and both of those we welcome dogs to also come.
Oh, great.
And our walk is accessible, so any of our survivors that might be there, that might need some assistance, they can join in the walk also.
So who is this event for? Who should be there?
The community.
Everybody, right?
Everybody should be here. And number one, it's a great fun event, but number two, it's raising funds for research and patient support for pancreas cancer here locally, stays in Wisconsin, benefits everybody globally. So we hope everybody will come down and have some fun and try to win some great prizes, Packer tickets, Badger tickets, bicycles, all sorts of great things.
Great. So you mentioned the money raised. It's going to go to research at the UW Carbone Cancer Center, which does some incredible research on all cancers. Do you know a little bit about some of that research?
Sure. Some of the projects that we have funded are primarily pilot grants. So if a researcher or an oncologist has an idea of something that might help people with pancreas cancer, they could do some testing on a small number of people or just at the cellular level. And some of those projects, like genetics research, have led to multi-million-dollar grants.
Wow.
So it takes $75,000 to do a pilot project, and our goal this year is $200,000. So we might be able to fund 2 projects. We also provide, as the task force, we provide comfort totes for the patients that are going through pancreas cancer to help them on their journey.
And it really is incredible, the work that they're doing here in our community, and I've been able to get kind of an inside look at the Carbone Cancer Center, and this money is going to a really good cause.
Really good.
The event this year will be dedicated to former UW-Madison Chancellor Rebecca Blank, who lost her battle last year. Why was it important for you to honor her?
Chancellor Blank was very important in our community. A lot of people know her as far as working with the students, and then also all of her support in the community and community outreach. And we feel if there's somebody that's significant in the community with pancreas cancer, we should honor them, but we also want to make sure that we're honoring everybody else that has died from pancreas cancer, with there only being a 10 to 12% survival rate compared to like 90% with breast cancer. There aren't a lot of survivors to talk for themselves. And so we're there for them.
And how prevalent is it in our community?
I don't know that we have the incident rate, but I think the bigger conversation for us is that the mortality, the survival rate for pancreas cancer is so much lower, comparatively speaking. Even with a lower incident rate, we have a higher mortality rate, and that just isn't right.
Yeah,
we need to fix that.
Really startling.
Yep.
So the event is Sunday. Can people
Yes.
still get involved?
Absolutely. So they can register online, or they can register day of event.
Okay.
They can just show up and have some fun, and if they don't want to walk or roll or stroll, they're welcome to join the celebration. We'll have free music, lots of great beverages at Capitol
Yes.
Brewery, and like Jean said, we have some great raffle and auction items too.
Lots of fun for kids and families,
Yes.
survivors and thrivers.
Yeah, it's very much a family-friendly event.
Well, sounds like a wonderful event. Thank you both so much for being here and sharing with
Thanks
us.
for
Thank
having
you.
us.
We appreciate it.
Yeah, and so the event is coming up Sunday, Capitol Brewery. Registration starts at 8:30. The bike ride kicks off at 9:30. We'll have that information on our website.